I'm going to pull the fire alarm at my school and make everyone go insane. Now I'm going to run away from the school.
Hey Joshua the Vyond fan. Why are you home so early?
Because our school had a huge fire, so we have 3 months off, so they can repair the damages.
Oh really? Let's watch the news.
Hi, and welcome to GNN News. Our top story is today that the school's fire alarm went off without a fire. People are saying this is a prank done by a boy with white and orange shirt, tan pants, wearing headphones, black shoes, and black hair. Does anyone know that it's true?
Well, I was teaching my children math, but suddenly, I heard loud noises coming from the school, and I saw Joshua the Vyond fan running from the school. Wait a minute, I think it really was Joshua the Vyond fan. Joshua the Vyond fan, if you're watching this, you should be ashamed on yourself for what you did. I hope you get grounded by your parents.
That user deserves to get grounded. Anyways, that's all the time we have for now. Tuning after short break for more news.
Joshua the Vyond fan, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that can get you arrested.
Did you know that false pulling the fire alarm can get you in trouble?
Also, principals set up fire alarms for days when there's no fire, and you are not allowed to do that.
You are grounded for 1,234,890,987,654,321 days. Go to your room right now.